Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. This is the fifth video of the streamlit tutorial series. If you don't know how to use streamlit in Google Colab, you can check out the first video of the playlist. So in this video we are going to talk about how to add code, text and latex. Okay, so first of all we have to import streamlit. As st. So if you want to add some code to your page, what will you need to do? Just before do that, I just wanna make a title code. Okay, now we want to make a section for code display. Okay, so we have created a variable. Okay, we have to find out a code, so I have already done it. A source code to print hello world in Python. Just copy and you have to be careful about the indentation. Okay, now if I reload it, you can see this is our title, but the code is not displaying because we haven't called it. Code, in the code we have to pass the variable we made. Okay, now if we reload, you can see streamlit has created a section for the code automatically, and it has also the option of copy to clipboard. Okay, this is really amazing. You can also use any other language code. Let's say hello world C program to write down hello world. Just copy and paste here. Just be careful about indentation. Okay, and if I refresh it, you can see we have got it. Okay, you can also pass one more variable, that is language equal C. It is smart coding actually. Okay, so this is all for code displaying. Now we have to move on another topic. Now we will add some plain text. Okay, so st dot text. In the text, let's say please subscribe my channel. Now if I reload it, you can see it's a plain text, please subscribe my channel. Okay, now come to the last part, that is latex. What does it mean by latex? If you search on Google what is latex equation example, you will find these things, the complex equations actually, you can see here. So if you want to print out these equations, what will you need to do? Just copy and st dot latex. In the latex are here, you will need to pass the equation. If I reload it, you can see the equation has been displayed. So I have also copied another one. this is the actual latex example actually. Now if you reload it, you can see this is the actual latex equation. I searched on Google but didn't find out this type of thing, so this was the equation and Streamlit has displayed it on this format. So this is the magic. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and if you want to learn more about Streamlit, you can follow the whole playlist. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys.